I recently acquired the Blender BC7 600 ml mini food processor, and I must say it has been an absolute game changer in my kitchen. This compact and powerful appliance has proven to be a versatile companion for processing vegetables, meat, and fruits effortlessly. First and foremost, the size of this mini food processor is perfect for small to medium-sized food preparation tasks. With a 600 ml capacity, it strikes a great balance between being compact enough to fit in my kitchen cabinet, yet spacious enough to handle a decent amount of ingredients. Whether I'm chopping onions, blending sauces, or grinding meat, this processor's capacity is just right. The performance of the Blender BC7 is truly commendable. Equipped with a robust motor, it tackles various ingredients with ease. It has a strong cutting blade that effortlessly chops vegetables into fine pieces, ensuring consistent results every time. When it comes to fruits and softer ingredients, the blender function works like a charm, delivering smooth purees and sauces. The processor also offers a grinding function, which is excellent for crushing nuts, seeds, and spices. One feature that I particularly appreciate about this food processor is its user-friendly design. The control panel is straightforward, with intuitive buttons for different functions, allowing me to switch between chopping, blending, and grinding with ease. The pulse function is handy for achieving the desired texture without overprocessing the ingredients. Additionally, the transparent bowl lets me monitor the progress of my food, ensuring that I achieve the desired consistency. Cleaning the Blender BC7 is a breeze. The removable parts are dishwasher safe, saving me time and effort in the kitchen. The compact size of the processor makes it easy to store, and the cord neatly wraps around the base for convenient storage. While the Blender BC7 600 ml mini food processor has many positives, there are a few minor drawbacks to consider. Firstly, the noise level is slightly higher compared to larger food processors, but it's still within acceptable limits. Secondly, due to its smaller size, it may require multiple batches for larger quantities of food, which can be slightly time-consuming. Overall, the Blender BC7 600 ml mini food processor is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Its versatility, compact size, and reliable performance make it an excellent choice for processing vegetables, meat, and fruits.